Welcome to our comprehensive guide on tips for Santander savings account. This tutorial is designed to provide you with key concepts and practical examples to help you make the most of your savings account. Firstly, it is essential to understand the different types of savings accounts offered by Santander, including the Santander savings account, the Santander ISA, and the Santander fixed rate bond. Each account has its own unique features and benefits, so it is crucial to choose the one that best suits your needs. To get started, you will need to open a Santander savings account, which can be done online, in branch, or over the phone. You will need to provide some personal details and identification, and you may also need to make an initial deposit. Once your account is open, you can start making deposits and withdrawals. It is a good idea to set up a direct debit to transfer a fixed amount of money into your savings account on a regular basis. This will help you build up your savings over time and make the most of the interest rates on offer. Santander also offers a range of tools and services to help you manage your savings account, including online banking and mobile banking apps. These allow you to check your balance, transfer money, and monitor your transactions from anywhere. In addition, Santander provides a number of tips and advice on how to save money and make the most of your savings account. These include setting a budget, cutting back on unnecessary expenses, and taking advantage of tax-free savings options. To maximize your savings, it is also a good idea to consider other Santander products, such as the Santander 123 current account, which offers cashback on certain household bills. You can also use the Santander savings calculator to work out how much you need to save each month to reach your goals. By following these tips and making the most of the features and benefits of your Santander savings account, you can build up your savings over time and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always read the terms and conditions of your account and to seek advice if you are unsure about any aspect of your savings account.